To validate the learner reference numbers of bulk encoded Grade 11 voucher program beneficiaries, select View List of VPBs in the navigation panel. Then select the current school year. To display the list of VPBs per grade level, click the plus sign. Click Validate LRN under the LRN of the VPB. The system will check if there is a match between the LRN and the name of the VPB. If there is a match, the system will indicate that the name is validated. Otherwise, use the Edit or Delete VPBs feature of the system to input the correct LRN of the VPB. The system shall not allow VPBs whose LRNs are not validated to be included in a billing statement.